Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings and now scroll down to the very bottom, almost very bottom, to find additional settings. Now let's tap on date and time, and as you can see right here we've got some options which let's say we can customize, but right now they are inactive. It is because we are using network provided time and time zone. So first of all we have to tap on those switchers to turn off the network provided time, and now we can freely tap on date, and as you can see here, just by swiping we can pick the date we want to use. Tap on OK. The same situation with the time, just by swiping, and confirm it with OK. As you can see, it will immediately be applied to the status bar. Here we've got the time zone, so just tap on it and tap on the region, and as you can see right here we've got plenty of options, plenty of regions from which you can choose. So basically all you have to do is to simply find the region you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me randomly pick this one, for example, Indonesia. Sometimes you will also be able to pick some more regions, let's say, so different parts of the Indonesia. So I will pick maybe this one, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied, but of course be aware that after changing the time zone the time will also change according to it. As far as I remember we've set 10 o'clock. Here we've got the time format, so we can tap on it and we can just set the automatic option, which will be based on the system language, but we can also manually pick 24-hour or 12-hour format. It's up to you. I will pick maybe 12-hour format, and as you can see it will be also immediately applied. Right here we've got the dual clock, which simply means that your device will apply the other clock to the home screen, which will show the time from different part of the world. So it's up to you. You can turn it off and on just by tapping on the switcher. Here you can tap on second clock and pick the place in the world from which you'd like to see the hour. It's up to you. So basically this is the whole customization, whole manual customization of the date and time. And if you want to, you can get back to all previous settings just by tapping on those switches here and picking the automatic time format. So actually this is it. This is how to change date and time in your Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.